Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Yeah, alright guys, so you can see we have some seafood right here from the boil that we made. This is the leftover. Yeah, look at that though. Shrimp, lobster, crab, corn, and potato. These are the leftovers, right? And instead of wasting them, we want to turn this right here into some seafood tacos. All right, leftover lobster, crab, shrimp. Yeah, lobster, crab, and shrimp. Oh man, yeah, it's going down. So we have this right here ready to go. We're gonna put this in the microwave, right? So, as I said, we want to detail the process, right? So now we have our crab, shrimp, and lobster, and boudin ready to go in the microwave. And we want to go ahead and heat that up and get these tacos going. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so here we have our tortillas for the tacos. I make it soft tacos. I don't know if you guys prefer the hard. To me, it really doesn't matter. But right now, I'm just making soft tacos. And we have our tomatoes, lettuce, and cheese. Yeah, buddy. So we ready to go, right? We good to go? So what we want to do, we're going to set the temperature for about what, 375. Set the temperature for 375, and yeah. So we got a foil paper here. We're going to use that for the tortillas. Put them in the oven. Separate them just like that. Alright. And just do 4 at a time. I'll do 4 at a time for right now. That way. Yeah, so we got the tortillas. We'll do 4 at a time. Get these bad boys in the oven. Yeah, buddy. Wait. I can't do this with one hand, can I? Let's see. Yeah. There we go. Right. So, chopped up the tomato. Alright. Now we have our lettuce. Alright, so now they're done. I flipped them over. Yeah, so let's take these out. So we warm this up. This is good enough. So let's take this out. And we want to add it to the tacos. Alright, so you see we got our shrimp and crab up in there. We put the shrimp, crab, and boudin in there. Alright, bet. Alright, so broke down the lobster. We added the lobster. Yes, Lord. Add the lobster to them. Time to add the lettuce, tomato, and cheese, and time to eat. Here goes the finished product. Lobster, crab, shrimp, boudin, lettuce, tomato, cheese. Oh man, can't beat it. Yeah, buddy, you get a good shot of this right there, man. Get a good shot of it. but